Back on the farm again, and it has been 2 weeks since the melon has been planted, and now they're showing 3 leaves, but I think they're getting waterlogged because of all the rain. They're getting waterlogged. So I'm gonna have to try and spray these off, even though they're so young. I have to try and get them spray. I mean, some have 3 leaves and then some have 2 because the melon was busting kind of slow, so everything didn't come up at once. Now I'm just over here this morning to get these slug again. I have been slugging as much as possible because of the rain, and I don't want the snail to eat down the plants. So that's what I will be doing. Those are some ground bean that was planted before, and the seed then burst back up, and I have to get those weed. And look at the amount of weeds in here, guys. Oh my god, gonna have to get this burn again. So this is just another day on the farm for me, and they kind of look bleaky, like there's gonna be rain, but I still have to get this ground slug because trust me, there's a lot of snail over here, a lot of snail. And what I'm gonna do, guys, some of the melon seed didn't burst, so I'm gonna go ahead and replant them. Like for instance, let's take a look at this hole. There's no melon in here, so I'm gonna have to go ahead again and plant some melon seed in here.